Hey guys, I know you liked the video before with installing a desk grommet in the Ikea white desks. I'm just going to do a similar video right now, almost identical. The difference is hooking up this Ikea USB power one. And this isn't the USB that goes to the computer to like transfer files. It's just straight power. There's not even like a female USB on the other side. It's kind of straight to a power adapter. So I'm going to kind of put it right here, and then hopefully it's kind of easier to charge whatever you need. Okay, so got it drilled. Let's see if it fits. Perfect. A little bit on the edge there, but it does fit perfect. Let's just drop this below. Let's set this up so actually perpendicular to the edge. Right, nice. Kind of annoying that happened. Maybe I'll just take some like a white marker, clean up. Cool. Alright, so got it all plugged in underneath. Obviously should get a white cable, you know, for the Ikea white desk. Right, go ahead and try. Got one of these ones that will do all the different heads. And yep, charging away. So time to get a few white cables, and pretty convenient solution. A little bit bigger than the standard grommet, but this was a 3-inch, and that's I think like a 2. But yeah, pretty convenient to have that. Thanks.